Hello friends, welcome back. So till now what we have done is we have built this program, and whenever we run this program it asks for a user input and it draws the number of sides we enter. Okay, so we will continue developing this program further and we will learn a new concept while keeping the program as same. Okay, so the new concept that we will learn is about my blocks. So this is a custom block. You can develop your own block and you can write a program for your own block, and once you write the program you can start using that block. Okay, so we will learn how to do that. So for that, first of all we have to do is we have to create the block. When we click here, it is asking for a block name, so I will write shapes. Shapes draw block. Shapes drawing block. Okay. So if you are having any problem in writing this name or editing this name, then you should restart Scratch. Sometimes Scratch creates this problem. We were using one variable that was angle of rotation, but we will need another variable that is number of sides that we need to get from the user. So we will write here number of sides. Okay, so we are using this input, add an input. So this input will be given by user and the block name is shapes drawing block. So we have created this block. Now let's click on OK. So this is the block that we have just created, and you can see this block is now appearing here. Okay, now we created one variable, number of sides, so you can use this variable. See, you can use it as many times as you want. So this is a variable that we have created here. Now what we will do is we will split the complete program into two parts. So from where the program is running, it is running from here, angle of rotation. So we will make this block do this programming. Now it is asking for define shapes drawing block. So this is the name of the block and it is saying define shapes drawing block. It means what this shapes drawing block will do. So this shapes drawing block will draw different shapes. So that is the program we have to keep here. Okay. Another thing that we will be doing is we will shift this angle of rotation, set angle of rotation to 0, which we usually do with our variables. We'll shift it here. And we can just write everything here. Okay, and we can just keep this how many sides you want, and rest the complete program can be shifted here. So this is how we can make this block. So we have made this block. In this block the whole program is written, and here we are just asking for user input. Now these two are different programs. This is one program and this is another program. Now let's run the program. If I click here and if I enter 6, you can see I have entered 6, but the value of angle has not changed. Okay, it means this program has not executed at all. Nothing has happened here. So what shall we do? Now these are two different programs. This is one program and this is another program. So this program cannot run unless and until we give a command to run this program. Okay, so this is known as a function in text-based programming. In any text programming, whether you learn C, C++, Java or any other programming method, this is known as a function, which is a standalone program in itself. And to run this standalone program, one instruction needs to be passed here in the main program, then only this program can run. So this is a separate program and this is a separate program. but this is the main program. And this separate program can only run whenever we pass an instruction to run this program on this main program. So that instruction is shapes drawing block. Now this has become one instruction. Whenever we write this instruction here, it will give a signal to this program, which is a separate program or which is a shapes drawing block. You have to execute now.